We've got to repack this cylinder on this log splitter. Disconnected the end of the rod from the splitter and slid it out of the way. We're going to hammer in on this gland ever so softly, try to get it to compress a little bit, and we're going to get this snap ring out. You can see that retaining ring now. First, I want all that crud off of there. I don't want any of it going back inside. This whole gal should pull right on out. Went exactly to plan. Doctor? Ah, you can see that failed U-cup. Why? Pop this piston nut off. Notice the gap in this wear band. Then we'll measure the groove for this piston seal. What? I'm dreaming of. Oh yeah, red's not my friend. Not what I wanted to do, but I also didn't want to keep hitting it with a hammer. These jaw pullers don't want to pull this piston off. This is as far as I'm willing to go into it. You see why the cylinder failed. That U-cup on the inside of the gland. That's what we're going to replace. All right, let's work on seal identification. We'll start with the piston seal. Piston wear band. O-ring inside. Wear band. This is 0.372, it's 3/8. 3.735. Because this is a 4-inch piston. 3.998. We'll go measure that. 4.001. 3 3/4 by 4 by 3/8 tall is this wear band. We had this piston seal. Sometimes these piston seals, they'll have a little bevel, a little inside O-ring to rest on, just in case you might roll it out or get it inside out. All right, 3 5/8. You know the OD's 4. Groove width 0.13 of 121. I know 125 is going to be. Piston, let's move on to the gland. There is an O-ring that has a backup. The backup goes away from the pressure side. This is the outside of the gland. 3 5/8. 204. Let's get this wiper out. Sometimes wipers will have numbers on them. Sometimes they don't. OD of the wiper, 2137. Double check. Same thing. Here's how the U-cup's going out. It was a loaded U-cup. And this is how the U-cup's coming out. 2097. No, that'll work, man. Appreciate you. Wear band, U-cup. Oh, get this back up. Hey, what's up, man? Good dude, good guy. O-ring backup, you'll see how it's got that curved lip right there. Backup rings always go to the non-pressure side of the gland. This is the outside, as you can see that new wiper in there. So we're going to put him there. Now we have that backup with that curved face facing the O-ring. We've got the wear band inside, the loaded U-cup because it had an O-ring inside of the U. So the gland is done. I threw a zip tie around here. I had to stretch that piston seal. There, we're ready to put it back together. drive it in just enough to get that snap ring in. Cylinders installed and done. Don't come to me for flame jobs.
Did you get it fixed?
Yeah.
Is it clean? Did you give me a new filter?
You want flames on that filter?
Flames?
Yes, sir, flames.
Yeah, absolutely. Maybe next week, man. Can you put it? It ain't gonna be your way, is it?
30 days is my property.
Well, I'm not